Hello everyone, it's Chi here. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a 10-week update for you. It's been 10 weeks since I've started investing in ETF stocks on the Commsec Pocket App. And I'm just going to go run through my results. The 90-day challenge is nearly over. We've only got a couple of weeks to go. So this particular week was quite odd. I think what happened was Monday went down, Tuesday went down, Wednesday possibly went down, then Thursday went up, and then Friday went down. So it was like a rather crazy, really. It's kind of a different week to the normal weeks that we've been having. Normally on a Friday it just goes up quite a bit and it's a nice end to the week, but this particular week it went up on a Thursday and then went back down on a Friday. So these are the results. So you can see here on Thursday it went up by $134.71, and then Friday went down about $72. So the total I've made for the 10 weeks that I've started investing in the stock market, $1,496.55, averaging about $150 a week since I started. You can also see here that I've got the two stocks, Sustainable Leaders and the Tech Savvy, on the Commsec Pocket App. And the Sustainable Leaders has grown by 8.82%, and the Tech Savvy's gone really high at a bit over 15.82%. So the Tech Savvy stocks have done really well over just a 10-week period. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that bell button. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put them down at the bottom, and I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. And I'll see you next time for the next video.